It's really easy to apply rain in Affinity Photo. Let's start by bringing in our overlay. Let's rotate it and change it to screen. Next, let's add a curves adjustment and drag it into the rain layer. Then create an S curve and you're finished. Let's try one more image. Bring in your overlay, resize and position it to where you want, and again change the screen. Now let's create an inverted mask by holding down Option and hitting the mask icon. Hit B to select the brush tool and then increase its width. Let's also bring down its hardness. And finally, let's make the opacity around 40%. Then just paint in the areas that you need.